was eating. I was just preparing for all this. And now, we're gonna make something. And it's crab. And I don't know what that's called, but crawfish. And this is crab legs and arms. I don't know. So guys, this is the crab. He's dead. Yeah, he's dead. He's dead. Well, we don't worry about that later. Right now, we're doing this. Good. These ones been frozen. That one, I don't know. Careful. Look at them floating. Okay, you have to boil them to 3 to 5 minutes. And I'm just gonna stir. I've tried these before, but I'm gonna try them today. Okay, so but I think we're gonna put these ones in there just for like a little time. And I just want to put the crab in there, I guess. I don't know how to hold the crab, but so guys, my school is good and I'm gonna cook. So this will be good. I'm safe. But right now, I'm gonna put that in. So, time's up, guys. It's time to put them in the bowl. I got nothing. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, so we're gonna season the water, and I got some lemons. I got lemons from my grandma's house in San Jose. You can be here if you want, but we're gonna season the water.
Just throw the whole thing in.
Okay, so when everything's boiled, we're gonna put everything in, and the water is oil. Scared to do it, so just some dropping. No, I'm not picking it up. My mom says I have to pick it up, but I don't want to.
Put it in there.
Mom, the crab in peace. Wait, we're gonna cook for 15 to 20 minutes, and when they're floating, they're done. I'm not high enough for this, so I can't see. I'll be right back. I'm going to play this. You have to shock it and put it in ice water. That's gonna crack it. So now you guys know how to make crab. Like, comment, and subscribe.